Welcome along to Type R Tweaks. I'm Michael. Today's video we're going to be looking at fitting some struts to the car. So we've got replacement struts for the boot, and you'll see why in a little minute, and we're going to install some struts onto the bonnet as well. So to take the old ones off, you just need to get a screwdriver behind this clip, pop the clip out, it's on this side as well, it's in here, pop the clip out, and then you should be able to remove the original strut from there. So now the clips are out, you should just be able to pop it off, both sides, and there we go. You might need someone to hold it while you take that off, and then we'll get the new one on. So the new one just pops in. I'll hopefully try and put this one in and show you it. So just to show you again, taking the old one out, we've removed the clips from here, so this should just now pop off. There we go, easy as that. And same with this side, off it comes. Again, get somebody to hold it up. So again on the other side, just line up the hole, pop over the strut, same on this side. Same as the other side, you just simply pop on, you'll see where the clips are, you don't have to take them out or anything, you just push them in and all should be good. Let's give it a try. So let's see the difference. I really like them, compared to the originals where there's a lot of hesitation. These ones are actually opening the boot like they should. I'm sure you'll all agree. Big difference there. Now sorry to all you Honda purists out there, but this isn't a Honda part. This is actually the Mercedes boot struts. Cost me about £11.50. But really like the job they do. Definitely better than what I had on the car. So these are the Tactical Racing struts for the bonnet. So what I'm going to do is just get one of the brackets to fit down here, where you see that earthing cable, up to that first point of the bonnet bracket. So I'm just going to remove this little clip on both ends just so I can give it a dry fit, make sure everything's working okay. So you'll see this bottom end just pops on there, and the other one up here. And let's give it a try. Perfect. And just remember to put the clips back in, so it secures it in. So the plan is to repeat the process on this side. Find myself a bolt to fit to here, so I can put the bracket on, and again up to that bottom part of the bonnet bracket. Here goes. So that's the other side on. Let's give it a try. Perfect. Hope you like that one. The car can go about strutting its stuff now, bonnet, boot, doesn't matter. I'll put a link in the description to the Tactical Racing Bonnet Struts and the Mercedes boot struts as well. So if you want to get them for your car, just click on the links and sort yourself out. So until the next video, catch you all later.